Hi there, Vusi, it's Travis here. Let's have a look at your swing now from the Each One Teach One Foundation Golf Day held at Crown Mines. Here we can see your swing in slow motion first. Let's have a look at your swing now from the other side. Okay, so if we get you back into your starting position here, just a note on your position of your left arm. You can see there, ideally you want your left arm to be nice and straight when you start your swing. If I bring up the model here, we can see Grant Waite on the right hand side. You can see there his left arm nice and straight coming into the club, and it's important that you keep that left arm straight throughout the whole swing. You can see there it starts a little bit bent and then it's bent at the top of your swing there, so you don't get the club up above your shoulders. Very important, because then when you come to hit the ball, you can see you need that left arm to be nice and straight again. So keeping the left arm straight, very important. Try that the next time you play, and I'm sure you'll be on your way to playing much better golf.